How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another trade recap. Unfortunately, we took a loss today, but it's all my fault. I tried trading before news. Once news hit, we got stopped out. And there was two trading opportunities. The first one would have worked. I'm going to go through that one as well, but I'm going to go through the loss first. On the 4 hour, we were bullish. On the 1 hour, we were also bullish. There was a bit of consolidating here, but we didn't break structure to the downside, so we're bullish on the 1 hour as well. So I'm looking for longs. Mark out my previous Asian session lows and highs. Marked out regular lows and highs on the 1 hour because there wasn't really any on the 4 hour. Went into the 5 minute. On the 5 minute, as soon as market opened, we quickly swept out Asian session lows. After that, I'm waiting for a break of structure on the 5 minute. Once we get a break of structure, I'm waiting for one of the confluences to get filled. We touched this order block, but I didn't enter off there because we didn't get any selling power out of it, and there was no break of structure on the 1 minute as well. So after that, this fair value gap formed on the 1 minute. Once we touched that fair value gap, I entered a bit late because I accidentally pressed sell instead of buy on Trade Locker. So I did enter a bit late, but it doesn't really matter because we ended up getting stopped out. On the 5 minute, that fair value gap was getting respected a lot, and then news came out quickly, strong wick down, stopped out. I tried taking a trade before news because I thought, if I take one now, then I'll be able to take profit before news comes out and everything. But I should have traded on a lower time frame, which is the trade that I'm gonna go over next, the one that I should have took. Price was consolidating a lot in this fair value gap, and it was respecting it, so that was telling me, we're gonna go up, but then started going down. And then when the news came out, straight away we got a thing. After I got stopped out, my first take profit actually got hit, and we would have gone to break even, so we would have actually made a bit of money. But it is what it is. Losing's a part of trading. I'm still up. I think I only lost about, I think it was 1.5% on this trade. So now I'm gonna go over the trade that I should have took on the lower time frame. So for my lower time frame strategy, I used the 1 hour and 15 minute as my bias, as my high time frame key levels. So on the 1 hour, as I said, we were bullish. On the 15 minute, we were bullish as well. Marked out this 15 minute low. Once market opened, we straight away swept out Asian session lows. So it's the same process and strategy, but it's just transformed into a lower time frame. What I should have done is this, because I wanted to trade before news, and it would be better to do on the 1 minute because the trade would be quicker, it would be more volatile. So once we swept that out, I'm looking for a break of structure to the upside. We get the break of structure right here. Once we get that break of structure, I'm waiting for one of my confluences to get hit. So we have this order block. Once we opened here, tapped that order block, closed above it, so we got buying power. So I would have entered here, stops below these lows, and take profit up at these probably 5 minute highs. I know it didn't end up getting hit, but my first take profit would have got hit, which would have been right here, and it would have been a winning trade. This was a 6 risk to reward ratio as well, so I should have probably done this, but I'm not profitable yet. We're still learning, so next time I'll keep that in mind. And I'm gonna be trading tomorrow if I can find the setup. Yesterday I didn't take a trade. There was no news, but I didn't take a trade because I couldn't find the setup. There's no point of rushing. There's no point of forcing trades. Tomorrow there's no news, so I will be looking to trade tomorrow. If I can't find the setup, then I will not be trading. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Follow me on my journey, and I'll see you guys next time I trade.